In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing profile picture using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your social media accounts or refreshing your professional profiles, having a standout profile picture is essential. With Canva, a user-friendly design tool, creating a professional and eye-catching profile picture is easier than ever, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you might want to create one for easy access to all the features. Once you're all set up, type "cool profile" into the search bar. This search will bring up a wide variety of exciting and modern templates specifically designed for profile pictures. It's crucial to have a template that speaks to your style and the image you want to portray. Now that you have the template in front of you, take a moment to scroll through and select one that catches your eye. This step is all about choosing a layout that resonates with you and fits the identity you're aiming to craft. Once you find the perfect template, click on Customize this template. This feature is where Canva's magic really comes to life, allowing you to personalize the template to reflect your unique personality. Let's move on to personalizing the template. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Upload section. Click on that tab and it's time to bring in your own photo. After all, this is your profile picture and personal touches make all the difference. Simply drag and drop your chosen photo from your computer into the Uploads area. This is efficient and makes for a seamless transition into customizing your template with your own imagery. Once your photo is uploaded, drag it over to the template and adjust it until it fits perfectly. You might need to resize or reposition the photo slightly to ensure it aligns nicely with the design elements of the template. This part can be really fun. Feel free to play around with different color filters or add some text to make your profile picture not only cohesive, but also reflective of your personal brand. And there you will have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a stunning profile picture ready to be shared across all your social media platforms. Thanks to the creativity and ease of use with Canva, having a unique and professional profile picture has never been easier. Take a moment to admire your work and don't forget to download your creation so that you can start using it right away. Happy designing.